Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Friends, today I will share Boots.com reviews. Friends, let me tell you that this is not our website, so if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. Boots.com is an online community of shoppers in the United States. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are footwear and sweaters in different sizes and colors at very affordable prices. Now let's check other information related to payments. So here we can see that the only option available for payment is PayPal. Let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that they have stated that it usually takes about 15 to 25 business days for standard shipping, whereas the shipping fees varies from country to country. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now, let's check all those points which will help us in deciding the legitimacy of the website. So guys, Boots.com have SSL certification and is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 16th September 2020. The website does not have much traffic as it is relatively new. Now let's take a look at About Us section. So here we can see that Bootsun is your one-stop online shop for today's most daring, exciting fashion shoes. Affordable collection of sneakers, sandals, boots, etc. are all about redefining trends, design excellence and exceptional quality to satisfy the needs of every aspiring fashionista. Now let's check the way to contact them. So here company's address is provided and an email ID is provided to contact their customer service. So the email ID provided is help@bootsin.com and they assure that they will get back to you within 24 hours. Now let's have a look on return policies. So here we can see that they offer 7-day return warranty. Within 7 days of receiving the item, if customers are not satisfied with the quality of the product, they can return the product and within 3 business days, customer service will get back to them. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return and refund, mention us in the comment section below. And the external links provided for Facebook and Instagram land us on the official page of Bootsun, but the number of followers are just 145 on Instagram. And talking about the customer reviews guys, so there is no customer review section available on the official page of the company and we could not find Boots.com reviews on other reliable platform as well. The reason for this could be that the site is new and is not much popular among the people. So in the final conclusion, I would like to inform our viewers that Boots.com is not a reliable site and shoppers run the risk of receiving counterfeit goods or nothing at all from this store. Therefore, we recommend our viewers to stay away from such website or to wait for some time to buy products from this website since it is new. However, Friends, if you have ordered anything from this site, do share your feedback with us in the comment section below. You can also comment below to report about any kinds of scam. After all, we are here to spread awareness about these scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. And if you have any money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you guys, you have been a great audience. Stay safe, stay informed.